All right, hi, I'm Chris Shedler. I'm professor and chair in the English department. And last year I was here talking about fostering AI literacy. This year, which is about incorporating AI into student assignments. This year I'm going to talk about modeling AI literacy, which is the faculty showing students how to use the AI and evaluate it within the class. I don't know if you can see this graph, but basically it's saying it was about the adoption of Gen AI. And this was from 2024. Students were regular users 60%, faculty 36%. I think probably today students are probably more in the 80-90%. I'm not sure if faculty have increased their adoption much. But also this is saying that regular faculty users feel that AI can have a positive impact on student learning. And faculty or non-users think it will have a negative impact. So I think it's important for faculty to become comfortable with AI and figure out how to help students use it most effectively. When we talk about AI literacy, there are 4 different areas we can think about: knowledge of AI applications and functions, application of it, including prompt engineering for different scenarios, evaluating the outputs of Gen AI, and then considering ethical issues, sustainability, biases, and hallucinations. So I'm going to talk about the first 3 areas. So one of the assignments that I have within this class, it's a graduate level class, Introduction to English Graduate Studies. I have an opener assignment which asks the students to select a critical article from the course reading list and deliver an in-class presentation which explains the key terms and assumptions of the critical approach and summarizes the main points of the with quotes. And so what I do is I model that by starting off with our first reading assignment and going through that same exercise. But I also use AI to generate an outline, a summary, the quotes that the AI would choose from the article. And this is something that students might do with research when they're looking for critical articles for their own research and summarizing them with AI. And what I think is important here is thinking about the differences between what the students would use or what you as a faculty member would use from an article and what AI generates from it. So in this case, like I have an outline here of what I thought were the important points of the article, and then the AI outline, and some of the things that were different. Some of them are very similar and they're just phrased different ways, but some of the things are important to me that the AI doesn't identify as important to them. And similarly, when we choose quotes from an article that are important, there was just one quote that I chose that the AI chose as well as being important there. So I think it's important as you're having discussions with students about why you would choose one over the other. And then we do a summary where we look at the AI summary versus the annotation that students use, and they can see the difference where AI tends to be very repetitive and students pull out things that are important to them.